Okay, so you're looking for your Popular Direct account number and you're not sure where to find it. Well, you're not alone. A lot of people have the same question. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to find your Popular Direct account number. But before we get started, let's talk about why it's important to know your account number. Your account number is like your social security number for your bank account. It's a unique identifier that allows you to access your money. You'll need your account number to do things like deposit money into your account, withdraw money from your account, transfer money to another account, pay bills online. So now that we know why it's important to know your account number, let's get to the good stuff. How to find your Popular Direct account number. Method 1. Check your checks. If you have a checking account with Popular Direct, you can find your account number on your checks. The account number is usually located at the bottom of the check, on the left side. Method 2. Check your statements. If you have a savings account with Popular Direct, you can find your account number on your statements. The account number is usually located at the top of the statement, on the right side. Method 3. Contact Popular Direct customer service. If you can't find your account number using either of the methods above, you can contact Popular Direct customer service. They can help you find your account number. Here are some additional tips for finding your Popular Direct account number. If you recently opened a new account, you may need to wait a few days for your checks or statements to arrive. If you've recently changed your account number, you'll need to use your new account number. If you're not sure which bank you have, you can contact Popular Direct customer service and they can help you determine which bank you have. Finding your Popular Direct account number is easy. Just follow the steps in this video and you'll be able to find it in no time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.